This amazing puff puff recipe would be your favorite. You only have to try it once. But before we start, can I kindly ask you to smash the like button, because you are absolutely going to love this. And if you are new to Owusu's Kitchen, welcome. Please consider to join us by subscribing. You would absolutely fall in love with this incredible bofrot recipe. So come on in and let's start cooking. This golden brown puff puff is speak for themselves. Trust me, once you try this recipe, it would be your favorite. Just take a look at how beautiful these are. Let's take a look at the inside, my darling. Emu are so fine. The inside is not dense at all. And bread. Nah, have you tried puff with ice cream before? I made this delicious coffee ice cream. It is linked down below. The two is a combination made in heaven. Hello, this is Oriswe's Kitchen. If you are new, welcome. Please activate your bell icon to receive all future uploads, and do not forget to give this beautiful puff recipe a big fat thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next upload, my darling. Take care. Bye bye.